Are you thinking about moving to Woodrow in Staten Island, New York? Well, if you are, you're gonna wanna stick around for this video. We're gonna talk all things Woodrow, from the parks to the plazas to the houses, everything you need to know about living in Woodrow.
But before we do that, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to keeping you connected Staten Island to New Jersey living.
Our team gets calls, videos, messages all day long about people just like you thinking about moving to Woodrow in Staten Island, New York. So if that's you, if you're thinking about moving in the next 9 to 90 days, give us a call. We cannot wait to help you. All right, so let's get into it. We are in Woodrow in Staten Island, New York, specifically at Bloomingdale Park right now. We'll start the video here. We're gonna give you a quick tour of Bloomingdale Park, and then we're gonna get into 3 properties. One of the higher end, medium, and low, medium, high. So in Woodrow, the population is about 17,000 with the medium home price of around $700,000.
Right next to Rossville, Arden Heights, and Princess Bay. So that pretty much puts you right in the middle of the South Shore.
Woodrow has a plaza, which everybody goes to. We just got Starbucks.
Yes.
There's a brand new pumpkin. I know we're basic. Brand new pumpkin flavor we got from Starbucks. There's a Jamba Juice. We'll take you on a whole tour of that. There is the Korean War Veterans Parkway, actually goes through Woodrow.
Yeah.
So that is your form of transportation. There's buses around here as well.
Trains.
There is the train.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have all of your forms of transportation that will bring you, if you're working the city, all the way to Bay Street, where is the ferry, or you can jump right into Jersey. We're closer to the Jersey side right now.
Yes, yeah.
And,
The bridges.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
So let's jump into the first house. We're gonna look at some schools, and let's start with this tour. As we're on our way to the houses, we're gonna show you 4 houses today. In the Woodrow area, the house price ranges drastically. We're gonna show you a $600,000, a $800,000, a 1.1, and then a 1.7. Talk about drastic. We're gonna show you semis, new construction, townhouses, and then 2 custom built homes, just to show you everything.
We're at our first stop right now. We're in Pembroke Loop. This house is listed for $679. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,800 square feet.
There's over 200 homes in this development. The HOA fee is $90.
$90 a month.
Casabella?
Casabella.
Casabella is a company in Staten Island that manages developments. This development, again, $90. You have a pool, a clubhouse, and they take care of like the trash in the street and the sewer. And then for this development, your roof, your siding, that's on the homeowner itself.
Yes. They'll also do snow removal.
Snow removal. All right, so that is a house behind us with they all have garage doors. These are all townhouse style homes. You want to tell them what a townhouse style is?
Sure. So usually you'll have your garage and a den on the first floor, and then your main floor will be your living room, dining room, kitchen, and then you'll have the bedrooms upstairs.
And then a bathroom. This one has 3 bathrooms, so you'll have a bathroom on each floor.
Yes.
What's really, really cool about this development too is everybody look how wide these streets are. These streets are so wide. Again, there's over 200 homes in this development, and every single house has a driveway, so you could park in the driveway and then you could block the driveway, and there's also guest spots.
Parking.
Yes, where we parked. So that's pretty cool to know as well. Also, for developments like this, the mailbox is in the front of the development. There's 2 ways in and 2 ways out. So when you pull into the development, you could stop the car, grab your mail, and then go right to your house. That pretty much wraps up the first one. We'll hop over to the second one. Now we're at the second house. These houses that we're going to look at, they're all new builds. They are a semi, which means they're attached on one side, and then attached would be on both sides, but this is not attached. It's a semi. So let's go over some stats and we'll walk through them.
So this house is priced at $809. It is a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom. It's about almost 1,500 square foot house.
And here is the front of the house. I love the smell of new construction.
I know, it smells so good.
We could smell the paint from out here. They also have a garage. It's on Lennevar Avenue, which we're not even 5 minutes from the Woodrow Plaza. Nope. So the transportation would be 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and shopping.
Yeah,
Great.
shopping. There is a bus stop right on this corner as well for express bus and a public bus. And that wraps up number 2. Let's head on over to number 3. Our third location. This house is a little over 1.1 million. It is a little loud because they're power washing, but you know what? You know the neighbors are taking care of their lawn.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful block. Beautiful block.
It is.
Nice wide streets, all custom built homes. And let's give you the stats on this one.
So this house is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It's a little over 3,000 square feet. So this house is right off of Woodrow, and you also have a park that's right down the street.
That wraps up the third house. Let's go to the last and final house, which again, we're looking at a $1.7 million house, one of the highest price points in Woodrow, but you get that in Woodrow. They go from 6 all the way up to 1.7. So let's go. We just got to our last stop in Woodrow for the Woodrow tour. This block is so beautiful. It's a dead-end street, all custom built homes. On the way here, we passed the Woodrow Plaza again, and we passed the school. So everything in Woodrow is pretty much tight-knit. There's also the expressway, which I don't know if we mentioned that in any of the videos. There's the Korean War Expressway, maybe 5 minutes away from here.
Yeah, which will take you right to the outer bridge.
Yeah.
The house we're walking up to is priced at $1.7 million. It is a 2-family. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, and it's about 5,600 square feet.
And it's the last house on this block, so it's right at the dead ends, which is really, really nice.
Yeah.
All right, so here is the house. Gorgeous house. The entire thing is brick. 2 levels, full finished basement, all pavers in the front, and look, it's the dead end block. Beautiful, beautiful block. All right, and that wraps up our house tour part of the Woodrow tour. So let's head back to the Woodrow Plaza. It really is such a beautiful day out. It's like a little chilly, but not too bad, and there's beautiful leaves. And that wraps up our Woodrow tour. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for all things keeping you connected, Staten Island and New Jersey living. And don't forget, if you or anybody you know is thinking about moving to Staten Island, give us a call.
Bye.
Bye.